Hello guys! Today we will show you how to use Hiren's Boot CD on your PC. First, if you haven't installed Ventoi yet, check the link in the description. Step 1. Download Hiren's Boot. First, open your web browser and go to the official Hiren's Boot website.
Click Download. Scroll down. Click here. Download will start automatically. Just drag and drop it to your Ventoi USB. Now, go to Startup menu. Then, click Restart. Click ESC. Select Boot Manager and choose your Ventoi USB. Press Enter. Select Hiren's Boot from the list. Choose Normal Mode and press Enter. Explore Desktop now. We find My Computer Utilities Chrome, Firefox. Now, open Utilities. Accessibility. This section contains accessibility tools. These tools help users with visual or physical needs to use the system more easily. Accessories. Here you will find basic Windows accessories. Administrative tools. This section includes advanced system management tools. You can monitor system performance and manage system services from here. BCDMBR tools. These tools are used to fix boot problems. Hard disk tools. Here are tools for managing hard drives. You can check disk health, format drives, clone disks, or recover data. Network. This section includes networking tools. You can troubleshoot network problems, check connections, and manage network settings. Other tools. Here you will find miscellaneous utilities. Extra tools that don't fit into a specific category. Removable drive tools. These tools are for USB drives and external storage. You can format, test, or manage removable drives. Security. This section focuses on system security. It includes antivirus tools and malware scanners to protect your PC. System tools. System tools help manage and repair Windows. You can view system information and fix common system issues. Windows recovery. These tools help recover Windows when it fails to start. You can repair startup problems or restore the system. Windows tools. This section includes common Windows utilities. Useful tools for everyday Windows maintenance and troubleshooting. That was a quick overview of Hiren's Boot utilities. This tool is very powerful, so always use it carefully. In the next videos, I will explain specific tools in more detail. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And check the Ventoi tutorial in the description to build your boot USB. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.